Hi, this is Lee Garrett and welcome to another weekly tip video. As you are undoubtedly aware, Apple Intelligence is being released in a phased manner. It's going to different countries and regions at different times, and not all of the features are going to be released at once. It's slowly being drip-fed out, so we're of course going to do the same here at Screencasts Online and slowly release videos covering individual Apple Intelligence features. We're not going to cover them all at once because sadly, not everybody can access them currently. Today, I'm going to take a look at writing tools which can help take text that you've written, or indeed someone else may have, and then restructure and reformat it. So where is it available and what do you need? Well, Apple Intelligence is currently available on iOS and iPadOS 18.1. It's on macOS Sequoia 15.1, and it requires an iPhone 15 Pro or Pro Max, any iPhone 16 model, as well as an M series Mac. So that's a Mac with an Apple Silicon processor as opposed to an Intel one. Now, Apple Intelligence will initially be available in US English in most regions around the world. In December, Apple Intelligence will add support for Australian English, Canadian, New Zealand, South Africa, and over here in the UK. And over the course of the next year, Apple Intelligence is going to expand to more languages. Sadly, it's not going to be available in the EU or in China currently. So for those of you who have access, let's get to it. Right, this is my iPhone 15 Pro Max, which is, as we know, capable of running Apple Intelligence. Let's just validate the software version number. So if you're unsure how to check, we're in settings right now and in general in here. Then if I go to software update, it looks to see if there are any updates available for you. And I can see I am indeed on 18.1. Now, as I record, it's not been formally released yet. I'm currently on the public beta, but I am expecting it to be released properly in a week or so, which is why I'm comfortable recording this right now. Also, I'm in the UK, which isn't in scope currently for Apple Intelligence support, so I needed to change my device language settings. So if I go back, then down here to language and region, and I've changed my device region to United States. So when it's released in the UK in December, I'll be able to change this back. But I'm happy with this currently to allow me to play with the Apple Intelligence features released so far.
That's just a quick preview of one of this week's Apple-related tutorials from Screencasts Online. Screencasts Online is your premium source of Apple-related video tutorials. All of our members get access to brand new, up-to-date tutorials each week, as well as unlimited access to our entire video archive full of Mac and iOS related tutorials. You can stream and download all of our videos on your Mac, iPad and iPhone, and even your Apple TV using the members-only Screencasts Online Apple TV app. Membership also includes a complimentary subscription to the digital Screencasts Online monthly magazine, published each month and packed with videos, articles, reviews, as well as hints and tips covering all aspects of the Mac, iPad, iPhone, and all of the other fantastic Apple products. So, if you're ready to start getting the most out of your Apple devices, visit screencastsonline.com today and become a Screencasts Online member.